Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem, sort the array. So first let us understand the question. Basically in this question we are given an array. Let's say it is this, okay. What do we need to do is we need to sort the given array. So basically the output should be 3, 4, 5 and 10, okay. So we need to print a sorted array. Now for solving this question we can use a built-in function in Python, that is sorted, okay. So we would just use this function and in one line we can solve the question, okay. So let's solve it. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic, okay. Then you need to find the problem, sort the array. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve, okay. So let's solve the question now. Here is the question, let's read it. Given a random set of numbers, print them in sorted order, okay. So this is the question and we would solve the question over here. That means we would code it over here, okay. So let's solve it. What you need to do is you just need to write return, okay, space, sorted. What do we need to sort? We need to sort the array. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, so the compilation is taking place. Let's see. Okay, so the compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Let's see. Okay, let's wait. Almost done. Let's see. Let's wait. Just few more moments. Let's wait. Okay, the problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem, sort the array. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.